This is the cutejia. So we need to do like this. Do like this. Do like this. This is Nania. So I look at this. We can choose that this one. Very better. This is the very better. I will do this now. Let's do this. Don't do it. I don't want. Daddy will help me to do it, to put there. Then we need to put there. Then we need to put the hand there.
Keep it here.
We complete this step 1. Now we are going to step 2. We need to take the hammer and put the hand to there. Daddy, we put with your hand. So we need to put this and do like this.
No.
Harder.
Oh, harder. Do it. Right. Keep it here. Keep it here. But be careful, okay? It's going, yeah.
It's going. Can you help me?
Yeah, I can.
I will put hand and hit it. Help me to put.
You got it.
Be careful. This one is ready now. So we need to protect it.
Yeah, now we have to put this together.
Daddy, this is me. Now we will do step 5.
And the other screw. గట్టిగా వస్తాను వద్దు గట్టిగా వద్దు ప్రెషర్ తిప్పు తిరుగుతాను తిప్పు తిప్పు
Now we will put the wheat under tuck. I will put wheat under tuck. take care. Did you enjoy the duck? Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and tap on. Meeting next week. Until then, bye.